how to have multiple MonopolyGO accounts. Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can have multiple MonopolyGO accounts. So if for whatever reason you want to play Monopoly Go with multiple accounts, make sure you stay till the end of this video and find out how you can do it. So first thing you need to do is open up your application. Now go and click the three lines in the top right corner of the screen, and here click settings, which is the last option. Click this big green button that says connect account, and here if you connected with Facebook, as you can see I connected with Apple, I have an option to connect with Facebook. So you want to disconnect from all your connections here, so Apple or Android if you're using one, that will say disconnect from Play Store, and disconnect from your Facebook. And when you disconnected from all of your accounts, you want to exit the game and go into settings, scroll down a little bit and click general, go into iPhone storage, give it a couple of seconds to load, and now scroll down until you find Monopoly Go. So here it is, Monopoly Go, click on it, and here you need to click on offload app and click offload app again. What will that do? It will basically clear your cache memory and local data from your phone, and basically start a new fresh game when you open it next time. So when you open it, it will start from the beginning and give you an option to connect with your accounts once again. So you just want to connect with other Facebook account or whatever that you have. So basically that's how you can have multiple Monopoly Go accounts, and that's it for today's quick tutorial. I hope you guys find this tutorial helpful, and if you do find it helpful, as always, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and goodbye.